Tucson, common problem, piston breaks, because it sucks the water from the intake. And to fix it is very simple. The dealer do not want to fix it. They deny the warranty because of the water. So we already put the piston in, we show you how we're doing it.
So how does the customer know that there's a problem? They start hearing noise?
No compression.
No compression. So the dealers do not want to cover this under warranty.
If the water goes in there. So this is customer's fault because Sussman already denied the warranty.
All right.
Sussman did deny the warranty because they said the water going.
All right.
Yes?
So what do they want to do? They want to sell you an engine?
Yeah, $10,000 job. They want $10,000.
And so what are you doing?
So I'm gonna put I already put a new piston in, and I'm just laying the cam right now. After that, we're gonna time it.
Mm-hmm. So why is the water getting in there?
Because of bad design. Bad design. It sucks it off from the intake.
So the people should file a complaint with the manufacturer, and
yeah, they should.
There's also other sources.
Yeah. So if they have that problem, bad design. So you have to time it here. You see I'm timing it. I got these two, you gotta match it, and this one right here. They put the yellow marks on, and the chain mark matches with this.
So now you're you're doing this repair job.
Yes.
How come is it going to stop the water from coming in? You're repairing the intake. What's going on?
No, I'm gonna repair the intake, and I'm gonna repair the engine. I already put the new piston in.
Okay. And what's this all going to cost? Roughly retail.
Retail probably no more than $1,200.
$1,200.
Yeah.
And this is a very common problem on a. What year is this?
2018 Tucson.
Hyundai Tucson. Does it cover? I guess it covers multiple
years. It's supposed to be covered
years.
under warranty, but sometimes dealer don't want to fix it.
And what engine was it?
That's a 2.0 non-turbo.
2.0 non-turbo. Common problem. Okay.
All right, guys. So that's how you do the job.
If you have any questions, you can call Big Joe's Automotive 215-499-9071.
499-9071.
215-499-9071.
And also take all